Hello viewers, today I will solve one more question of an array which is maximum subarray. In this question you just have to return the sum which having a largest sum. Okay, it means you just have to find the subarray sum which is the largest of one of them. Okay, so you can solve through many approach, but I will tell you one of the most optimized approach, which is through the cadence algorithm. First you have to create a sum and int max. Then you just have to add nums of 0. Okay, max element, put max ele, which is max element, and then you just have to traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus, and sum plus equals to nums of I. You just have to find the sum of every element, and max equals to max of max element equals to max le comma sum. Okay, after that, if you find the sum is less than 0, then you just have to put the sum equals to 0. Okay, means if the sum is negative, after that you just have to return the max element. Okay, just check whether it is running properly or not. Yeah, this is running properly. Let's submit the score. Yeah, yeah, this has been submitted. Thank you for watching.